I was going through my phone and I realized that I have a bunch of cooking content that I haven't edited yet. So in this video, I'll show you a mother meal that I made. Remember those weird one-pot meals that Foodie was into? They were made popular on TikTok by a creator named Rabea Khatun, and I'll put a link in the description box to the original video about this. While I didn't use the exact same ingredients that Foodie did, I was more interested in the cooking method. All in one pot, with minimal muss or fuss. Here's how it went.
We're gonna put that much garlic, 2 chilies. All right, we're gonna put the fish. We're gonna put the pumpkin, like that. The whole ass potato. The whole ass onions, the whole ass peppers, the corn, okay, we're gonna put some tomatoes, like that, some mushrooms, okay, there we go.
The day that I made this, I used ingredients that I thought would go well together. Potatoes, garlic, shallots, jalapenos, tomatoes, cilantro, and frozen salmon fillets. I did use the traditional mother seasonings of turmeric, salt, and pepper. You add a little water, cover, and cook. Now, because I wasn't using a whole fish, I cooked this for a total of 40 minutes, covered. I wanted to see what it would be like without any sort of intervention, let's say. Would the frozen fish cook okay? Would the vegetables get mushy? It was surprisingly good. Maybe my potatoes were big enough or the fish being frozen helped slow down the cooking, but everything turned out just right, on my end at least. Here's what Foodie had to say about hers.
All right, let's try the potato. It is cooked. Is there any broth? Oh yeah, there is some broth. Let's try a bit of the broth. Bismillah. The broth is actually pretty good. It's a little sweet. Mushroom? Oh, that's a good potato. That's sweet. Is this garlic? Let's try a garlic.
In my opinion, one of the best things about this sort of cooking is the macros. Take a look. With this combination of ingredients, Foodie could really tailor how many carbs she got, the calories, the fat, all of it. She's always complaining about cooking and cleaning after herself, but a meal like this couldn't be any easier. If you start off with good whole food ingredients, you end up with a good meal. Sure, you're just boiling your food, but in the end, the results were very tasty. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you.